Hi everyone, welcome to you all for SAP training session presented by Ravichandra Koti. In the today's session, we are discussing about for release procedure for the PO organizational structure. Same steps, CT04 to define the character, CL02 to define the class, then OLME, PO, release procedure for purchase order. In that release group, release code, release indicator, release strategies. Then release prerequisites in the release strategy only. Release status, then classification. We know that already communication table for the PR, CBAN. Similarly, communication table for the PO. For the PO is CEKKO. CBAN. For what? PR. Similarly, CEKKO communication table for the PO. Okay. Now, let's go for simple example. I want the release procedure for PO. I'm having the plant 1000. For the plant 1000, if the PO value amount, if it is lies less than 100, 1 to 100, so I want approver from creator and second approach should be a manager. Okay, suppose if the amount is exceeds more than 100, so I want the approval from first should be a creator, second should be a manager, and third should be a general manager. Here totally how many approvers? 3 approvers. How many conditions? 2 conditions. First is the plant. What's the field name? WERKS. I want to know the PO value or net value. How to get this value? This field value? To get this one, first we go to the 11. Then in the table we can put CEKKO, then display. There you can find the PO net value. Okay, let me check. Here. SC11. Then instead of CBAN, CEKKO, display. Then so you can find whatever things are here. Okay, so company code want? No. Plant. So what's the field name? WERKS. We are already having. Then metal group, vendor sub range, user field. Then here total net order value or PO value. So what's the field name? GNETW. GNet. So I can just copy the field name here. Now, can you tell me how many conditions are here? 2 conditions. So, first step, what is that? Create a character. Step number 1, create character. So, how to create? Number of conditions equal to number of characters. Since here we are having 2 conditions. One is the plant, next should be PO value. That's why required two characters. So which are those? I just suppose taking now here. I can take D1 and D2. D1 and D2. So go for here. Slash n OLME, enter. OLME, enter. Then purchase equation already completed, right? For PR also having the release procedure. Similarly, for PO also we are having the release procedure. Release procedure. See, release procedure for the purchase order. Click here. First, edit characteristics. So I can take D1. Next, create new. Create new. Additional data. Table name CEKKO, or you may take from the CBAN also, because the CBAN also works is there, CKK also works is there. Okay, WERKS. Enter. Okay. See, plant. Then, since I'm going to add one more character, that's the reason go for the multiple values. Please observe this one carefully. Single value, multiple, restrictable, entry required. Only 4 are there. Then go for the values. Here 1000 plant works amberly. Enter. Restriction 032. Enter. And save it. So first character, that is for the plant, is created now. Okay. Similarly, I go for the D2. Then go for create. Additional data. Table name CEKKO. Then what's the value for the PO value or net value? We are having the field name as GNETW. Copy and paste here. Enter. Here. Format data taken from the ABAP dictionary. Fine. So field name GNET is there. Means amount. Soon as entering the amount, automatically system is asking the currency. See, enter a currency, because amount in terms of what? Currency. Okay, fine. I'm going to enter the currency. Where? Here. I can take INR or Euro. Then multiple values. If you want to add one more, intervals are allowed. So what's the meaning? Suppose 1 to 100, middle intervals, 100 to 500 intervals. That's the reason intervals are allowed. If you want to enter negative value, negative values are allowed. If you want only restricted, only 100, 200, go for the restrictable. You get 100, 500, then only I want the approval. But real time, we're not supposed to use this one. We're not supposed to use this one also. Intervals are allowed. Well, then go for the values. Enter. Please observe carefully. Only for here, 1 space hyphen space 99. Then only system will take. Don't enter like this. Here 1 space 99. System is not understanding. There must be a space for all mathematical operator. Suppose here 1 space hyphen space 99. Press enter. Like this. Again, up to 1 to 99, then greater than 99. I can take greater than space 100. Greater than 100. Enter. You can take here 1 to 100. 1 to 100. Enter. Additional value you can add. If you want to add few more values later also, you can possible to consider. Hope you're getting my point. Suppose 1 to 100 is there. Greater than 100 is there. Suppose I want one more approval. 101 to triple line. Then greater than triple line. When complete list proceed or then I want to add the values. By that time, it go for the additional value, so we can possible to add. Okay. Then restriction 032. I mean to say release strategy. Save it. Come back. Then edit class. So step number 1 is for step number 2 edit class. So I can take class name as E. Class name as E. Release strategy only. New. Then release procedure for PO. Then go for the character. If you want to validity period, you can enter here. Valid from, valid to. Then character. What are my characters? What are my characters? So here D1 and D2. Enter. One character for the plant, one more character for the net order value. Save it. Come back. Okay. Then OLME. Enter. Purchase order. Release procedure. Define release procedure for purchase order. I think you remember, no? For purchase equation, we are having two options. See, release procedure. Set up procedure without classification, procedure with the classification. There are two options. Whereas in purchase order having only one option. That is header level. Here, this is item level. We can possible to get the release tab at item level as well as header level. That's the reason two options. Whereas the PO only header level, top side only. Then define release procedure for the purchase order. So go for release scope. New entry, I can take DE. So step number 3, what is that? Define the release group. Release group. So I can take release group as DE. So what's my class? E. Enter. Save it. Come back. Come back. Then release code. New entry. DE is my release group. I want creator. Then DE manager. Then DE general manager. Enter and save. Come back. Release indicator, B for block, R for release. Just keep as it is. Don't change anything. Come back. Release strategy. Here, go for the new entry. What's my release group? DE. Strategy 1, I1. Interval 1 to 99. If the amount is 1 to 99, for PO value, I want the approval from creator and manager. Enter. Go for the prerequisites. Both are approved. Release status. Whenever both are approved, then only release. Classification. Classification for which plant? 1000 plant. Total net order value? Net order value?
1 to 100.
1 to 100. Press enter. Come back. Save. Then again come back. Go for the new entry. I can take 2. Sorry. DE. Release group. Interval 2. So interval greater than 100. So want creator, manager, general manager. Enter. The release prerequisites. I want creator, manager, general manager. Creator, manager, general manager. Release status. All are not approved, block. 1 person approved, 2 not approved, block. 2 person approved, 1 person not approved, block. Whenever all are approved, release. Continue. Classification for the plant 1000, if the net order value greater than 100. Enter. Don't search here, save button. You will not get. Red indication for data has to be considered. Come back, then save it. So this complete the conditions. We can check now, right? Slash n MM01. I just create one material. So I can take a PV 100. Take DB 99. Enter. Enter for the plant 1000. Testing for release procedure for PO. Enter. Save it. So my material is what? Material DE99. Let us take one vendor is there. Assuming we are already having one vendor. Or else I'll show how to create the vendor also. Slash n xk01. Enter. So I can take kred. Okay. Then company just vendor for RP or PO. Okay. Then country India. Reason is which state. Language English. Enter. 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 Reconciliation account 1,60,000. Cash management A1. Payment terms 0001. Immediately. 0001 means what? Immediately we need to make the payment. order currency INR, payment terms 0001, Incoterm nothing but what? Cost, insurance, freight charges. We need to enter the destination place. So we can take Bangalore. Enter, enter, sit. Okay, 100,309 is created. 100,309 vendor. Let me go for create the PO directly. /n without PR, I am creating the PO. Or you can go for a PR also. Not required, just leave it. 21N /n ME 21N. ME 51N. For PR also we create. Okay, what's my material? DE99. How many quantity? I can take 10 quantity. For the plant, 1000. For the plant, 1000. Now, check. Check. Then, can you observe here? This PR, not PO. The release strategy tab comes into header level to approve us. Yesterday we configured, no? That's the reason Siddhi comes into here. How to get the release strategy in the header level? In the release group, activate overall release procedure for PR. One setting. One more setting. In document level also, we can activate overall release procedure. I will show you now one more time. I mean to say how to get this release strategy in header level, top side for the PR number. So PR number, then go for the PO. How to get header level? See, /n OLME OLME purchase requisition, define document type, NB overall release procedure. Please mute yourself.
ಹಾಕೊಡಿ ತಿನ್ಕೊಡಿ ಹೋಗಿ ಅವ್ರು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತಿನ್ಕ ಬರ್ತಾರ ಹೋಟ್ಲಲ್ಲಿ ನಾಂದ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು.
Okay. Here overall release procedure should be active. Second, in the release group, release procedure with the classification, setup procedure with the classification in the release group. No, here also overall release procedure should be active. Then only in the PR also we can possible to get in the header level. Okay, well, /n ME21N. For what? I'm going to create the PO now. Well, what's my vendor? 100,309. 100,309. What's my PR number? 100. You can just copy, paste the PR number here. Enter. Enter the purchase organization. Okay, 1000. Enter. net price. So I can take 9 rupees. Enter. Purchase order, not order for the release. So how to release the PR? Slash and ME
54N.
ME
54N.
54. Okay. Other PR, go for the PR number. So go for here, paste the PR number, enter, release strategy, edit, approve, then approve it. Save. Then go for create the PO now. Slash in ME21N. Enter. Vendor 309. Then tab. Purchase requisition. Enter. Purchase organization 1000. Enter. Net order value 9 rupees. Enter. Now, you can just observe here. 10 into 9. How much? 90 rupees. Let me check. See. 10 into 9. As per our assignment, the value lies less than 100. I want creator manager. Correct? 2 approvers. Let me check. There are 2 approvers. If the value, I can just take 20 for this. Check 3 level of approvers. Okay. Then check, save it. So get the PO number. So what's my PO number? 45000264. Then I go for creating the Migo now. Slash n MIGO. For what? We are supposed to receive the goods. Enter. To receive the goods, MIGO. Then here option goods receipt with respect to what? Purchase order. So what's my PO number? 4500. Enter. So getting error. Purchase document not yet released. Not yet released. To release the PO, release PO, we are having the transaction code it's a PO ME29N. ME29N. Let me check. Slash n ME29N. Okay. ME29N. See, same procedure. Again, go for the other purchase order. What's my PO number? 45264 last. Here 260 is there. Then paste, enter. Header, release strategy, then go for release, then release. How we come to know? 10 into 25. Go for the condition here. Total 250 rupees. Greater than 100, approach should be 3 members. That's the reason it is comes here. Check, save. Then go for create the PO. Here, right mark in status release. Slash and MIGO, enter. PO number, enter. Testing for RP for PO, 10 quantity. Where you want? For plant 1000. In the plant 1000, which store location? 3001. Item okay. Check. And see, document is okay now. Post it. So we go my GO. You can check now whether this stocks comes into our plant or not. So for that, so I want to check whether this stock comes into our premises or not. MMBE. So we call it as a stock ORV. Let me check. Slash and MMBE. Enter. So DE99 is my material under the plant 1000. Click on execute. Click on execute. See. Company code 1000, under which work Hamburling is my plant 1000. Under the store location of what? 3001, we are having 10 quantity. Got it? So this is about the release procedure and complete P2P cycle also. Any doubts here?